everybody, welcome back to my channel everyone. Today we are going to be talking about Cardano. I know it's been a week that I posted my last video about Cardano, and today it's time for you guys to get updated. And we will start with ADA USDT, and the starting date for us will be September 2020 guys, from this moon and then by 4 signal. And then over here, as you guys can see, on the last day of October of 2020, there's this sell for became present, but a couple days later it turned into buy for signal again. And then right before the candle started going up, we also had this cloud buy signal was present from EngineeringRobo in November 2020. So which means we had this cloud buy 4, and moon signal was already present from EngineeringRobo, telling you that, you know what, this might be a good time for you to buy if you want to. And over here, after these buy signals, until now, Cardano is up for 1033% guys, since September 2020 to March 2021. So 1033% profit is amazing just in a couple months guys, and yet there are no sell signals from EngineeringRobo. These buy signals are still present from EngineeringRobo guys. And like I mentioned on my previous videos about Cardano, over here, this was my last resistance level guys, and I always tell you guys that as long as the buy signals are present, my target point will be my next resistance level. But if this is my last resistance level, now what? Which means as long as these buy signals are present, right now my target is the moon guys. So we will see what's going to happen. I will be still watching for the candles and EngineeringRobo's signals. If there will be any changes with the signals, I will for sure let you guys know. But right now, for people who are holding Cardano, do not hurry to sell. You can definitely wait for EngineeringRobo's sell signals, and when they present, consider selling it. And over here, let's take a look at this ADA BTC guys. Okay. So over here we have the opposite scenario in front of me for ADA BTC. So let's start with this buy signals guys on the first week of January of 2021, that they were present by 4 moon and in the cloud buy signals. Again, great timing from EngineeringRobo right before the candle started going up. As you guys can see, they became present over here and over here until the next sell signals. ADA BTC was up for 180% over here guys, as you guys can see, since January 2021 to March 2021. Over here, this actually happened in 2 months guys. And as you guys can see over here with the candles, I always tell you guys that you can always take profit at my resistance level. And over here, as you guys can see, after the candles touch my resistance level, unfortunately they couldn't go up, open close above my resistance level, and they started going down. And then EngineeringRobo's 2 different sell signals became present over here, which means EngineeringRobo is bearish at the moment for ADA BTC guys. It's super close at my support level, it's almost gonna touch it. But yes, I was expecting these candles to reach at my support level over here while these sell signals are present. But if they're going to be present for a while over here, I will be expecting the candles to open close below my support level, and then I will be waiting for candles to reach at my next support level, which will be over here. Unfortunately, as long as these sell signals are present, I will be expecting ADA BTC to further drop. But if there will be any buy signals, I will for sure let you guys know guys. For ADA BTC, EngineeringRobo is bearish at the moment, like I said. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin too guys. What is happening with Bitcoin at the moment? Let's make this smaller. I'm going to turn off this cloud signal over here guys, and then maybe turn on this cross signal over here. Okay, let's make this a little bigger over here. So I have a good news for you guys for Bitcoin actually, but let's start with this October 2020 from this moon by 4 and then the cross signals over here guys. So again, I always tell you guys that, but how engineering rebels three different buy signals worked amazingly over here right before the candle started going up. And then let's take a look over here after these buy signals until the next sell signals. Bitcoin was up for 220%, guys, as you guys can see, since October 2020 to January 2021. There's this hell and sell for signals became present. Yes, I was expecting these candles to drop back to my small support level over here, but I told you guys at the same time, as long as the buy signals are present, buy signals will be present from EngineeringRobo. My target will be at $42,000. Yes, the buy signals became present, and yes, we reached at $42,000, guys. And then after that, I told you guys, as long as these buy signals are present, my target is going to be moon. I was expecting the Bitcoin will go up further, but on the last week of February 2021, there's this sell for, and then hell signal became present. Again, I was expecting these candles to go back to my small support level. I was not hoping that, I was just expecting according to EngineeringRobo's sell signals, but I was also watching for the buy signals too at the same time. So on March 2021, there's this buy for and moon signals became present, guys, which means yes, EngineeringRobo is bullish again with the buy for moon and then the cross signals over here, and Bitcoin is at $60,000 at the moment. And yes, my target is moon again for Bitcoin. As long as I see these buy signals, hopefully these buy signals will stay a little bit longer so that we can start making some good profits for Bitcoin over here, guys. So yeah, this is what's happening with Bitcoin too. This moon signal just became present yesterday, guys, and then buy force became present on March the 11th over here. So actually they just became recently. If you haven't bought Bitcoin, you can definitely buy at EngineeringRobo's buy signals if you really want to, because they're already present over here, and one of them just became present yesterday, just so you guys know. And after you buy, please watch out for EngineeringRobo's sell signals. Don't just buy and leave it like that. Keep watching for the signals, and when the sell signals became present, consider selling it, please. And let's take a look at this BTC dominance over here, guys. So with the BTC dominance, as you guys might know, I'm checking these BTC dominance for altcoin investors. So if you're an altcoin investor, please listen up. So over here, if EngineeringRobo is bullish, it is not generally best time to hold many altcoins. We don't recommend to keep more than 30% of your portfolio in altcoins because BTC dominance is going up. So your Bitcoin investment will bring better return than your altcoin investment. If EngineeringRobo is bearish, which is bearish at the moment as you guys can see, which means we recommend you to convert your Bitcoin to altcoins. So this is just a little information for altcoin investors. And lastly, we will take a look at this Brave new coin liquid index for Bitcoin. And in this part, I am going to turn off all the signals from EngineeringRobo, guys, and EngineeringRobo Delix too. But there's this one signal called FOMO and Fear Zone from EngineeringRobo's Delix, and over here I'm just gonna turn it on, and we will go ahead and talk about this signal, and I will give you guys a heads up about the current situation at the moment. It's really straightforward, guys. According to Bitcoin's history, this signal worked amazingly. So let's start over here with this red zone. So in this red zone area, that means it's the top of the market, guys. So you should be selling all the coins in this red zone area that you're holding. You can sell anywhere in the red zone, and the candle is open close below this red line, which is this candle over here, should be your last chance to sell your cryptocurrencies. And in between this red and green zone, which are these candles over here, guys, it is advisable to trade your cryptocurrencies. And in this green zone over here, as you guys can see, we don't recommend you to trade, but you can accumulate cryptocurrencies for sure. So let's go ahead and check the current situation at the moment. So like I mentioned, but Bitcoin is at $60 and $61,000 at the moment, guys. As you guys can see, I don't have a red zone or a green zone present at the moment, but which means as you guys can see, the candles are super close to this red line over here. On my previous videos, I told you guys to keep watching for EngineeringRobo's signals because EngineeringRobo was bearish. Right now, yes, EngineeringRobo is bullish with the buy signals over here, and as long as these buy signals are going to present, I will be expecting these candles to reach at this red line over here. So after the candles reach at this red line, the red zone will be present over here, guys. That means it's going to be the top of the market. When the red zone becomes present, you should be selling your cryptocurrencies in the red zone area, so anywhere in the red zone area. And the candle is going to open close below this red line is going to be your last chance to sell your cryptocurrencies. There are no red zones present yet, but when there will be, I will for sure update you guys. The only thing that you should be doing is to subscribe to my channel to keep updated with my videos, because according to Bitcoin's history, like I mentioned, this signal worked amazingly, guys. Just so you guys know. So comment below what you think about Cardano. What is your price target for Bitcoin too? And I will for sure answer your comments, guys. Please give this video a like to support me, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you later. Bye.